So today we're going to design a 3D model of the armor, right? And it's a hard surface modeling. Somewhere you can have to create a hard surface like these, right? And we also can just combine this with this model as well. Like we can add some of the objects of this model, like
Can we design these objects separately in Maya itself, or we should make the single like how we made?
sorry, can you
Sorry, if we modeling this, can I do this model separate and attach in this and this model?
As a separate mesh.
Yes,
Separate.
of course.
Because
When it comes to armor, there are many separate parts,
Yes.
so we have to design it separately.
yeah.
Okay.
So it will also make you it help you create the model easy.
Yes.
So yeah, and for the hard surface modeling you can see we have this thing as well for the hard surface, right? And when we're designing this model, we'll also cover up the texturing part, and the texture what we do, we'll add this type of texture,
Yeah.
or maybe the better one, right? So let's open the pure ref. And whenever you design, keep on checking the recorded videos, right?
Okay.
To get the idea. So are you checking the videos, recorded videos?
No, sir. We don't have the
If we have
access.
any like doubts about the topology, we just refer to the model.
Okay, please go through the video as well.
Okay.
Sir, is the recorded video means the YouTube channel videos or
No, this
this
one.
we don't have the access to these videos.
like inge recommends mostly.
Where we are here.
You can ask Shipal sir for the video.
Okay.
They provide you, right? Okay, so let's start with this one, right? So let's divide these things. Let's for the first time, like when you begin with the model, you have to see which part is divided. Like if I can see this part is separated, and this part is separate, and this part is also separated, right? So the toughest part might be here, like we have to design something sort of this thing, and this will be covered up, this will not be issue,
Okay.
right? And the same with the helmet. So so what primitive we will be using, you tell.
think
In
we
which
can-
part we are starting? The bottom plate.
For the whole, what will we do? What
Of
will-
course, we are using cube.
cube. So for whatever thing you doing here, you have to use the cube, right?
Yes.
So what we'll do, we design a base structure first,
Okay, sir.
so that we can just put the armor on it,
Okay, sir.
right? And it will be easy thing for us to place the armor,
Yes.
right? So right,
Yes.
and go to the side. This is the side view, this is the front view, right? And cut it half.
Should we make it into a cube when we use these options, sir, or we directly start on the cube itself?
Sorry.
Sir, in fish we make it like a circle using these subdivisions. First.
Yeah.
Should we use
No. For this model, we'll just keep it as it is.
As a cube.
We'll do a shape, then we'll
Yeah.
increase the polygon, right? So it's not let us allow to select an object that allows a Golgi modification. It's not showing here. It's the front, okay.
It's another side.
it's a front that should work on here as well. Let me bring the cube again. Let's see what happened now. Okay, the symmetry is off. Let's yeah, not so okay, right? Now this again symmetry, right? So so keep it in mind, like the art, the whole body, how it looks, right? So just you have to mimic the body structure, the human body structure, right? Just that upper torso. This is the upper torso. So we have to mimic that upper torso, right? So just follow these steps and you will learn. And right? And when we just see from top again, right? Right. So we get this structure. So when I select the side view, so how the side view will look, you know, and let's check, because they will not allow you to open Google, right?
Yes.
So you have to have some sort of knowledge of how the body looks from the side, right? So just let's get the human model sheet. So when I see this model sheet, so that we have to design this thing, right? Not detail, this much detail, but we have to have the shape,
The basic shape.
the shape like this, right? So save it somewhere. Right? And now, so this is the front, right? Let's check if it is a front or not. Select this one, front. Yeah, it's a front. So we keep it as a front here in the side view, and okay. Let's choose another which has we have here. Let's choose this one, right? Let's screenshot it. Right? So this is the reference we have right now. So what we'll do, we'll just adjust the, we have just create this part only, and we have to get the shape right. So let's,
Is this the side view, sir?
this is the side view.
Yeah.
You can check here, right?
Yeah.
So this, right? So how many edges I just designed? I put here three.
Three loops.
Three loops here in the side. In the front only the same. Right. Now from the top, just correct it. The whole body is curved, right? So there is no hard surface here. So just curved it. So from the perspective, this is how it will look. Right?
Yes.
Sir, I think in side view one vertex is not right.
Sorry.
Yeah, here down.
This one?
Vertex is more high.
Yeah, you can just do this. And right, and we can also let's check our reference for the hand. Just what you can do, go here and
Can we extend?
let's from the side view divide it, right? And then the top, just click on the whole loop and just curve it, so you get the curve, right?
Yes.
And now for the hand, just select these two faces and delete, right? Now select this and that's it, right? So we'll place our armor here only,
Okay.
right? And to get the round shape, just insert edge, add edge, add edge here, right? So we have enough edges here. Now circular, right? And you can also from the front side just adjust it a bit, and also can extrude it a little further. This one just fine. And from the front, rotate it just like this, and this will appear as a shoulder, right? So just this. Yeah. So here you get the basic shape, right? And if you want, you can add more edges here. And edge flow tool. I don't think that you require the edge flow tool here, right? And we can add further edge, add edge here, and from the top, right? And just scale it, right? This is how you get the torso, right? So it's a basic step. So what you can do, what I'll do here, I'll just keep it in the layer and duplicate it, right? There is some problem here. Let's fix this. And yeah, so create empty layer and name it. Let's say base torso, right?
Torso means
The torso is the upper body of the model, right? And just add selected and it will go there, right? This is way to visible,
yes.
and it's okay to off, right? Before adding is duplicate it and add it. Now we have two meshes,
Two copies.
two copies. So in case you messed up with your base model,
Yeah.
you can always get it from there,
Okay.
right?
We have a backup.
We have a backup here now. So let's curve it out little bit. That is enough because we are not creating a chest here, we are creating an armor
Oh.
only, right? Let's see. So we can also use it as a like consider this as a the base model, the base
For
of
the
the armor, right? And let's set this from front. It has some curve here, right? Right. Can also just select these two edges and edge flow. It will create a good edge flow here, right?
Yes.
Now our task is to separate these things, right? So for let's say we have to design this part, okay, for this thing also. So we'll do I'm just selecting, right? And let's design it separately, right? So it is curved here, like it has a shoulder, right? So if it is placed on the shoulder, that means it is
Yes.
already curved, right? So we'll design one and we'll duplicate it other
Okay.
from there, right? So let's see, and we have to design only one side only, right? And this is the one part. The other part is we can also uh, select these faces as well in order to get the curve,
Yes.
right? This curve. So, remember, do not select this one. This is the actually the shoulder,
shoulder.
right? So let's duplicate it. Mesh,
Edit mesh, I think.
edit mesh, and duplication, right? We have got this, right? Now center pivot. Now let's just scale it a bit and start designing it like as it is shown in the reference. So select this thing and it's in the front, right? So you don't need to worry about the whole curve because it
Yeah.
is already duplicated, right? And so we have to right. We also, what we can do, just add this into new layer, add the duplicate one, and you can just go here and press T.
Okay.
So what it will do, it will create this as a transparent and it will not be affected.
Yeah.
You cannot select
Selected.
this one, right? So T is for that and R is for lock, like you cannot select it, but and if you press T you can select and you have a wireframe as well.
Okay.
So just scale it up and more edges. And select these edges, 1 2 3 4 edges, right? And control E. This much is required only, right?
Okay.
And so we have this type of, and still we need to manage the curve as well, right? So for the curve,
Sir, are we designing this part only or the entire?
this part only.
This part only.
Yeah.
Okay.
So we'll duplicate it later,
Yeah.
right? So once we see and add edge, right? And edge flow.
Okay.
Got it? And again add edge and edge flow. So it give a good the R1 type of body here. Now to get the thickness, just add control, just do control E and you get the
Extrude it.
thickness,
Control?
right? Control E
Extrude, sir.
for the extrude, right?
We are extruding the faces.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So here you can just go here and soften edge, right? So here the one thing that you need to check, like it should not look very smooth because it's not a it is not a hard, it is not a soft surface. So for this case what you can do here, you can just select these. What you can do, just add click these edges, right, the end edges, the whole, and do it a hard surface here, like this, right? And from the top again we have to manage the curve. Right?
Okay.
So this is how it will come up, right? And the same goes with this. Select all the edges, select all the edges and hard surface. Right? So a small soften edge. So we have a hard surface here, right? Let's not soft surface it. Let's keep it as hard only, right? And now you can see we have this curve as well here, right? Just control E
Okay.
and indicate it and just manage the curve. Right? Now since we already have this, let's not working. Something wrong. Okay, yeah. You have to select
Is it
right.
Yes, sir.
Control A. Then this part. Right, and select this. From the side also, you maintain the curve. Right. Now what you can do, just select these faces. Right, and control E. Right, just to get this hard, this edge,
Yeah.
right?
Okay.
Outline,
Okay, sir.
and same here, control E. Right,
Okay, sir.
and control E.
After extrude.
Yeah, extrude it. Okay, some sort of this, and same way. Control,
Control it and make sure it. Okay.
right. So this is how you can get the first shape. It has some curve there, so let's for this thing, yeah, like you can add more edge here, right? And so in order to get the understanding of how this thing is coming up, you can just click on the model and add material, like I add a blend material, and history, read the history,
The,
blend, and change the color
okay.
to get the idea how it is coming up, right? So of course we do not have the front or side view of it, but we can just assume that it will look some sort of like this only from the side, from the front, and you can just these edges as well. Actually we selected the wrong one. No worries, just right, and so this is how it will look
Yes, sir.
when we smooth it, right? Now simply
Duplicate.
scale it and duplicate, scale down, and push it little there, right? We'll delete this part,
Okay, sir.
right?
Sir, if we scale a little more small, the part will go inside now, sir.
But see, sometimes in the game models, which the things which are not visible, we do not keep that,
Keep that. We did.
right? So, how to delete it? Let me check. Let me show you. Just select these, control delete. Now we okay.
I think the inside is not filtered.
Okay. Then select these, control delete.
Okay.
Now we left with this. They are two separate now,
We delete that.
right? So we just select this one and delete it.
So maybe instead of like deleting it, we can separate and use it on the other side.
Yeah, we can also do that. Like
Save us some time.
But we can duplicate the one complete hand to the right side.
Kill that. Like key on the car, key on the man on the.
but it is a little different here, you know. This one is a little different here.
Okay.
So just
That is good.
delete. We can just separate it. We maybe use somewhere. Let's just separate it, right? We might use it somewhere.
Okay.
For now, let's and center view it. Right?
Yes.
Just keep it like this only. Most of time, the model here is it's not a neutral. Neutral is T-pose, right? So you can just you can also do the same thing, like to get the just put it on a T-pose. Right?
Okay.
So as I see, it is way bigger than what we have here, right? We can also adjust that, but yeah, for now just let's just put it the way it was earlier, and let's duplicate it. Use we just that separated one. Okay, here it is. Should be separated out. Right? And again we can we can just push this little further, little back, so we can get the right. X, right? So this is how the shoulder armor will look, right? Of course it is not the same, but yeah, we get the idea, like how we can and because these type of models will take lots of time, but you don't have to, of course, yeah, in the concept art you'll not be designing in this much of details, right? So and we are just here to understand how we can work on the hard surface models, right? And for this ring, okay, and just select the this is a
Torus.
torus, right? And go to the attributes, radius, right? So make sure it is not too much high poly, right?
Okay.
So just reduce the poly counts, right? You know how to reduce the poly count here?
Yes, sir. In the attributes section, we have the subdivisions.
Yes.
So
Now,
get
yes. So yes. Just
sir, if we get the hard surface modeling like this, having the screws and nuts, when we were using the ZBrush or substance painter, we saw some of the
ZBrush liner.
screws.
Ah.
Yeah, in ZBrush we saw the
yeah, but
screws.
those screws are too high poly,
Too high poly. This is
right? You can't use those, right? So select this. What do you increase the radius, right?
yes, sir.
Then we have a tool here to just bridge it,
Okay.
right? And edge, create a center, and again we are gonna bridge it, or we can just extrude it like this,
Yes.
right? So this is how you get the ring.
Okay.
It's showing this hard surface. Today.
Why we were doing that?
Deleting
It's
the
a
history.
history. So deleting the history.
So we are deleting or passing the history? Like
Deleting.
taking that in between.
You're deleting the history. So history, that's because it's already a low poly. So if I create a high poly, then I will not delete the history, because otherwise I'll not able to get the low poly version.
No person.
Right?
Ah yes.
So just so here. Just add the same existing material blend, right? And you can smooth it. No, you have to add some edges here, right?
Okay.
These are the sporting edges, right? So when you add the sporting edges, you able to see the.
Okay.
So make sure when you adding the sporting edges, you add it nearby the edge you have created.
Where the cut down should
Yeah,
happen.
exactly.
Okay.
Right. So you see, you feeling hot here?
I feel like it's on.
Oh, sir, we can't believe that
Yeah.
here is the AC is turned off. Even in outer and the ground floor, it feels hot and warm.
Yeah,
but
sir.
when we come inside this room itself, it feels too
We
cold.
wear
sir.
gloves and
Yeah, I understand that.
two type of jerkins.
That's why we are checking.
The weather is too cold here,
Yeah, sir.
especially in this area. I don't know why.
இதான் பேய் இருக்கு ನಾಲ್ಲೇನು ಬಿಡಿಸಿಟ್ಟಿದ್ದ
Four camera.
ಏನೋ ಕುದುತ್ತೆ
So yeah, right. So let's move on to the next part. Like, we have to design these
Stretches
things,
bit.
right? So what you can do, we have to first see how we can design. There are various ways. One is to just extrude these things, right, or duplicate the faces and start working on it. The other option is like start from the cube and designing the
Build it
stuff,
from scratch.
but again that thing will cost time, because you have to place it on the model and
Proper.
then adjusting the vertices. It will take lots of time. So what I'll do, I'll just create a shape the way it is shown here.
No.
Right. And we also have to see how this will look from the back. So we don't have the back image, and we might not get the back image in the test either. So we have to assume like how it will come. Maybe it is same. So you can just do it till this thing, and then mirror it the other part, like the back, right? And so let's select these, right, and duplicate it. Extrude. And Control E, right?
Okay.
Now the point is it should look like a metal, right? So everything is metal. So so I have to check that there is the curve is not that much,
Okay.
right? So let's just add edges here and do the edge flow
Okay.
and just okay, sorry. Before selecting the edge, let's add sporting edge here first,
Okay.
right? And here as well, and here as well. Okay. And we can add one more edge here and just curve it a bit, right? And if we just see, this is how it will come, right?
Yes.
And we can just simply smooth it.
We want to make it look like a heart.
Yeah. So the only point, the thing which needs to be hard here is
The edge faces.
the here we have to make it little hard, right? Again, see, if you just check the cars, yeah, it is a hard surface modeling, but there are curves, right?
Yeah.
So we also have to have some sort of curve. So we can just manage a bit and we can't have this much of hardness, because it's just not looking good, right? Or you can just soften edge. This is also looking good, but yeah, without smoothing, this is how it can look,
Yes.
right? So it is actually looking hard surface. So you can like restrict yourself to this much only
This much, okay.
if you don't want to smooth it,
Smooth it out.
right? And yeah, so the in the hard surface modeling, it is very crucial thing to bevel the edges, right? Because when you see in the viewport, the the surface
The
here,
sharps.
the sharp, it doesn't look good, the sharpness doesn't look good here, so we have to just bevel it. And yeah, we have to bevel. Just do not add segments,
Okay, sir.
just sorry, bevel, just increase the space,
Okay.
the space you want, and same goes with this. Bevel, increase the space,
What's the shortcut, sir, for beveling?
uh, shift, sorry, just select the edges and shift and right click, bevel,
Okay.
right? So you can see the hard edge here. You can just manage it, right? So you have a hard surface here, right? Same goes with this thing, like you can just bevel it so it looks really hard, right? Here and there.
Okay, sir.
Right? And duplicate it. Scale it. From the just place it over there,
On top of it, okay.
right?
Is there a that wrapping method we use in Blender to make an object get attached on another object?
Yes, we do have.
It would be better to attach.
Yeah, there is a wrapping. We have a snapping tool, like we can snap it to the
To the
vertex. And for the wrapping, I have to check, because in Blender we do have option there,
Yes.
but there is some deformation, I guess, there we have.
ஏன்னா wrapping வந்து நம்ம ஒரு like plain or so 3D object மேல ஒரு plain வைக்கிறது தான் wrapping யூஸ் பண்ணுவோம்.
We have
இல்லை
here
பெயின் வைக்கல, நான் கர்வ் ஆப்ஜெக்ட் தான் இன்னொரு கர்வ் ஆப்ஜெக்ட் பண்ணேன்.
thickness இருக்கிறது இன்னொரு இது மேல வச்சு.
like we have this
வெர்டிசஸ் லூப்ஸ் அதிகமாக இருந்துச்சுன்னா கரெக்டாக விட்டோம், லூப்ஸ் கம்மியாக
option
இருந்துச்சுன்னா
here,
உடையும்.
panel focus. No, it's not the same thing actually.
We select both.
Select at least one surface or wrap node.
And one subject.
No, this is not the thing. There must be some sort of this thing. But yeah, we can just follow this path only for getting that wrap thing, right? And now just scale it a bit more, right? Right? And now we have to design this thing, right? So these things are separated, right? You can see here this is a separate thing. So let's just select this thing, right? Or go till this thing and add it. Yes, duplicate. Right. Control E, extrude it, and you can just. It's not necessary that you just follow this thing. You
Okay,
can
sir.
you whatever shape you want,
Okay.
according to your
Concept.
the
The
concept
art
art,
we do.
right? So again we have to create a edge here
The supporting edges.
and just extrude a bit, right?
Okay.
And maybe we do not just extrude it, just keep it as it is, and bevel will work for this case.
Okay, sir.
So bevel. Just add, maybe just bevel thing is just without edge loop is will work. So looking hard surface here, right? And for this, wherever you find that there is a hard edge, just go select this one, not the whole, just
The
this,
edge.
right? And soft.
Okay.
Okay.
So you get the hard surface armor here, right? And just follow this thing, like you can see some sort of curve here, then just go to this, right? Just add one edge here, just right. It's a gap, right? That's why it's looking like this. So now you can
Okay.
just edit the follow, the edge follow,
The
right?
edge flow. Edit edge flow.
So this is how you get this, right? And if you want to get this thing further, like you want the bevel to be look little thicker,
Okay.
just go here, and since I haven't
Clear the history.
cleared the history, you can just find here. Can you see the pebbles thing here?
I think it might be in the top. If you go. No, it's the ribbon.
Yeah. So yeah, and we can add segment here. It's better not to add segment because we added some edges after the bevel,
After the bevel.
so it's not a good practice to add inside the edge, right? So
Okay.
make sure when you bevel it that you bevel it correct, right? And yeah, so we have this thing, and we keep the other the back side as it is, like, or we can just like this, and duplicate, and control E, sorry, right? Control E. This happening, right?
Yes, sir.
And now you have this edge here, right?
Yes, sir.
And you can adjust,
Okay.
and here you also need to have bevel, right? So bevel it. Both side. It got selected here. Just bevel it, right? And same here. Go there and bevel it. When you bevel it, this edge will be visible to the far away, right? It looks good.
Yes.
Just select and combine it, and just adjust the this, right? And you can also add the edge here also, like it is separated, like if it is a separate part, right? So this is what you can do here. And just bring it up, existing material, right?
Yes, sir.
So wait a minute. So you can keep this thing as it is, and just you can just color it, the plane, like just like this only. So it will look like it's a part of it,
Part of
right?
the arm.
The art. And that's what else left. This thing is done, this thing done. Let's just scale it a little more.
Okay.
And place it. Right.
Okay.
Now for the belt, you can just um, select the cube, right? Just V, so it will snap to the vertex. And edge loop tool to just get the curve, and same here. Right. And scale it. there is a
But-
curve, right? Curve here. So just add little curve here. And if we smooth it, this is how it will look,
No.
right?
I mean, it's not needed to add much details, no, sir.
Yeah, we can add this thing.
Yeah.
Yeah. So for this, just you can just select this thing here. So let's concentrate on the first the base, right? Then we move on to further details, right? So we just add we just make this one only first, and then later the different other things. Then just then for the screw, just select this again, like this, and edge here, right? The sporting edge, and one edge here is smooth. You get the screw, right?
Yeah.
So it's a so in this thing you don't have
Bottom.
the pentagon problem, like,
Yes.
right? And now just delete the bottom part, since we do not have to have
Sure.
yeah. And also we do not need these edges, it's low poly. So go here and right, just like that. So we'll once we UV unwrap it, then we go move forward,
Yes, sir.
right? And for this thing also, make sure these edges looks hard.
Yeah.
So go to this and
Hard edge.
hard surface, right?
Okay.
This is how it look. And similarly here as well, like right, hard, right?
Okay.
So this is how. And to get the to look it, so to see if it is looking good, just go here and select this it's an ambient occlusion kind of thing. So just switch on this, you get the shadow, like how it is coming up, right? So the major problem that I can see here is this part should be little more detailed, or curved,
Okay.
like let's see if we can smooth it. And how much, yeah, it is looking good when we smooth it. So I guess this will work, and then we can just reduce some of the edges,
Just
right? And again here also move some of the edges, and then you just get the, so this will help you get the hard edges, right? This.
okay.
And just bend it, or just select this thing and do the hard surface, and hard surface, hard surface, right?
Okay.
Yeah.
So so that do not look like a cloth, right? Hard surface and hard surface, right? So now it is looking like a hard surface here. Earlier it was looking like this, which is not a good model. So what we did, we just smooth it, and
remove the unwanted vertices.
yeah, we just smooth the unwanted vertices, and next hard surface. So same goes with this one. Like if I'm just selecting this, let's smooth it. So I just want to have some sort of hard edges here, right? So go there. It's your choice. If you want to just keep it here only, you can just keep it here. It is also good,
Okay.
not bad. Just okay, we have this thing here, right? This small thing here, and to this side there's only one shoulder. So let's duplicate it, mirror it. So for mirror, what do you do? To mirror it, what we do first?
Like adjust the pivot point.
Pivot point, yeah, to the center, and then right, and for this thing, separate it, center pivot, right, and scale it down. So we have this thing right here, and now for this part, like this which is coming up, right, we can just select one of the faces from here, right, control, or we can just, let's do it separately, right.
Okay.
uh, okay, so duplicate it, extrude it, sorry.
No.
Let's see if it works, then we'll just move on with this one. No, I guess that will not work. Duplicate face, control E, and extrude it, right.
Okay.
Of course it will not come like the way we wanted, because we don't have the front view right here, but yeah, this will work,
Okay.
right.
Yes.
Now just control delete, yeah, this is good now. What else left here now? The helmet. We also have to do something here, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, for the helmet thing, we must have some sort of base mesh for the head,
Head.
right? So as you already have your base mesh,
That's right.
right, you can just use those, or you can just start building up from scratch. Like I have this. So we'll decide. We'll design this thing only.
The
So
back,
they are separated in one, two, three, four,
okay.
four parts.
Yes, sir.
So we're designing the back side of the mesh.
Mm.
So let's lead face, and yeah, we got the result quickly. We don't have to, manage the edges and all these things.
Mm.
Just get the cube, face, lead faces, and right, and keep it here. Um, now just select these symmetry, this much, right, to get the curve. And okay, so whenever you add the edges, what do you do? Select, insert
Select.
edge loop tool, and select, right.
Yes, sir.
If you want to have the curve also correct, so just what you can do, click shift and control
Okay.
and insert edge loop tool.
Okay, sir.
So by doing this you get the
Curve.
curve, right. Let me just do it again. Maybe I missed something. Edge and control, sorry, sorry. So what do you do, select edge loop tool, just
Okay.
holding shift, insert edge loop tool, then again press shift and click on the,
Okay, sir.
so you get the curve, right. You don't have to go again to
Adjust the edges.
again, and also what do you do, just select and right click and edge,
Edge loop.
search for that loop tool.
Mm.
So in case you want the curve right, just do this,
Okay, sir.
right. And for this also, right,
Okay, sir.
and for this also, right.
Okay.
So you have got the element here, just extrude it a bit, and if you want to extrude you can, but if it is like, if it is going above the poly counts, right, you can. So right now it's 6108,
Okay.
right. I guess 20,000 is required, right.
Yes, sir. Okay, sir.
So yeah, this, and select from the side also, edge, right, here also edge flow, right. Something, let me just do it manually here. Yes, like this. Right. And select this edge, or this edge will also work. I guess this is the edge, right? So just select these things and bevel it
Okay.
this much and get the tool from here actually to we don't have to select the inner part.
Yes. So actually, how do you select from this face to that face, the entire?
Select this thing and select shift press and double click. Shift
Yes.
and double click.
Double click. And to select the whole loop, we press shift and control, right?
Just start
Start.
the start face and then the end face.
Okay.
Shift press end face and double click.
Double click.
Oh, sorry. Shift and
Okay.
then Control E.
Okay.
Extrude it and extrude it, scale it little, or you can, yeah, I guess scale will work. Now just bevel,
Definitely.
right?
Okay.
So this is how you get the edge here.
Okay.
In the top, just write the curve, so the curve looks good. So yeah, it's looking good on the top. You can just move a bit this far, right? So the bevel thing, like, let's just need to do it again. Yeah, we have to bevel it. And this much is fine,
Okay.
right? So that it will be visible, the hard edges, like a hard edge, right? Now let's move on to the front. So for the front, we just design the side view, right? So in case you have the reference, just place it and just trace it, right?
Okay.
So what we'll do, we just start with the cube. Right. And we can also do one more thing. Yeah, let's see work actually. Just place it in the front, right? Got it? And place side as well. Shift D and scale it, right? Place it somewhere here. So what we'll do, we'll just select these faces
Okay.
and bridge it,
Bridge it.
so we don't have to create a shape, right? And then just angle it, and also we want to have one something here, right? Take and some here. Let's just show it, right? And now combine it, and it is also little angled, right? Something like this. Got it?
Okay.
So select these and combine.
Without combining, we can't bridge it.
Yeah, you can't. So which is like this. So and so it's which. So this is how you can get the desired shape, right? Then further you can just manage this. I just read this, right? Select edge tool, select. So I just keep pressing the edge so that it get the curve, right? So you don't have to make this as well, right? From the let's edge, select edge, and get the shape. And edge, keep pressing edge, sorry, shift, and you get this shape, right? And yeah, for this thing, this curve, just you need to add more edge here and select this thing. So it's it depends how much shape you want, right? You can just move this way as well.
Okay, sir.
Maybe we have lost the shape from the front. Let's keep it this much only.
Okay.
Otherwise we'll messed up with the shape. So these type of detailings needs lots of time. So we don't have this much time. We just keep it simple, right?
Okay.
Let's now again extrude it, or we can just add edge. Bevel. So bevel will add two edges,
Okay.
one more edge, right? And go here. Right. Then select these, or we can just select spotting edge. I guess without spotting edge will work. Let's select this and bevel, right? So we get the shape here, right? And again D, center pivot, it's the center, and here, right? the same screw here, right? Right now, looking at the proportions, this is looking way bigger, so let's scale it down. Center pivot. Here we go. Right. So this part, this is somewhere here, I guess, right?
Yes.
And this also will go to this thing. Right, this much. Right, now edge, slit edge, again
Okay, sir.
do the script. So this is how it will look. So we don't have to, maybe, yeah, we can just design this thing as well, but if you want to have both sides you can, but just design this thing only and
Okay, sir.
just duplicate it.
Duplicate
It's a
it.
very simple thing. You try yourself, because I have already showed you
Yes,
the
sir.
process, right? And just place it over here.
Okay, sir.
Yeah, I guess this is pretty much. And, what else is left? We can add this thing as well.
Yes, sir.
For this, let's choose the slender. Yes, click here, move the cap,
Okay, sir.
and move the faces. Right, and also delete the right. So now just type it here. I reduced the edges because I wanted to some sort of shape here, right? So just work on the shape and from the side as well, right? I can just polish this as well. Right, and move this as well, and smooth it. I want to go upside. Okay, now use a smooth. This is how it will come out. And but we want the hard edges, right?
Yes, sir.
Control E. So this is a keep face together. If you just off it, this will create this thing. This is just an option, just giving you the option, right? Keep face together. If you have something which of something this sort, you can just keep this off and you have the this kind of
design.
shape, right? And select E. There is also one option. Let me just check quickly. Extrude. Yeah, Control E. Offset thickness 0, smoothing angle 30, and extrude. Okay, no worries. Let's just continue. So this much is fine, right? And just select this again, bevel, keep it 0.3, bevel 0.3,
Okay.
right? That's how you get it. And now just select these faces and soften edge. So what will happen, this will and also select these edges and make it a hard
Hard
edge.
edge. Okay.
So you get this hard edges here, and also this thing, this one as well. This is how you get the hard edges here, right? And now shift delete, control D, select it and just move little down like this. So basically how it will look, just select the bottom vertices. This is look like some sort of this kind of, right? Scale it, right? And further shift delete. This is how it will look,
Okay.
right? From the back side it's not looking good. I guess straight one was good, like the way we are doing earlier. Yeah, this will look good actually. Just leave it as it is, right?
Okay.
Just scale it out.
Sir, you wanted to tell me something.
Sorry?
ராம் வந்தால் மட்டும் உங்கள் கீழே பிராண்டிங் பார்க்க போயிருக்குன்னு சொல்லியிருக்கு.
கீழே எங்கே போகிறது?
சரி கால் பண்ண சொல்லுங்கள்.
சரி கால் பண்ணுறேன். ராமா உங்க கூட தானே வந்தேன் இல்லையா?
கால் ரெஸ்ட்ரூமே இந்த
சரி ரைட், நான் சொல்கிறேன்.
Right?
Yes sir.
So this is how you get the armor, right?
Okay.
The hard sapphire armor. So we designed this thing with this thing, this part, everything is separated.
Okay.
But we have to figure out like how this will come out,
The
back side. So we can just maybe we can just select these two and bevel it, or add something, or maybe so basically what happened, like this is the neck area.
Yes sir.
So it has to be vacant, right? There should not be anything here.
Okay.
So we can just remove it from here. So let's just remove the faces. Right?
Okay.
So we don't want it. same with this one, right? Or we can just fill this up, fill hole, right? Remember it?
Yes, sir.
So yeah, I guess this is it. And we can further we can just do like just same duplicate it here.
Okay.
And maybe what we can do here, select the edges and like for example I have this thing here, right? And go to the world, yeah, and get to the Z. Object mode.
டேய் வசந்த் கால் பண்ண சொன்னான் கீழே போயிருக்காங்க இதுதான் பிராண்டிங்னு சொன்னான் பிராண்டிங் தான் என்ன சொன்னா இல்லை
கீழே போவோம்.
கால் பண்ணிட்டு எந்த ஃப்ளோர்னு கேட்டுப்போம் இல்லை இல்லை விதிச்சு அழைக்கிறதா இருக்கு.
So we just select these two, like select this one,
ஓகே சார்
combine it. No, this is same bridge. Is this a mirror or what? Combine symmetry of. It's not working. This one also good. Sometimes it shows very weird bugs.
I think maybe it's gone maybe because of that.
No. Okay, let's try this one. Something there.
Maybe I can try like whole line and whole.
Sorry.
Like maybe we can try all these 8 faces with at the same time. Like select these 4 and try to bridge it.
No, we don't want to bridge it actually. We want a space here,
Okay.
empty space here for the neck, right? So as we do not have the neck, so let's select these, right? So that's why I just wanted to connect it,
Okay, so okay.
or you can just connect it, just extrude it and start connecting it with
Okay.
like Control E. Just go here and connect it somewhere. Same with this one.
Okay.
But yeah, you are right. Maybe you might be right. Like this thing can cause this issue, right? So we can just some issues. Okay, so just keep it in mind, like when you just going to duplicate it to the back, just make sure it is not beveled, right? So that you can easily
Join it.
join it, right? Let's separate it and so this is how you can get your model. Same goes with this one, right?
Okay.
To add this. And now what else left? Now the nut bolts, right? We have to add the nut bolts and this belt as well. So let's select this. Right, just oh sorry, this much is enough for this part, this part,
Yes.
right? And let's, so I use the torus, right?
Yes.
Yes, and that's it. That's all you need. You can add further, like if you want to have it much like the way it is shown here, you can just Control D, select here, and it will go. So it is attached to this one, right? Like this, as if it is attached to this. I just reduce the poly from here, right? Yes, this is enough, right? So just connect this thing, combine, and combine and combine, right?
Sir, you can use the screws for other places.
Yes, yes, sorry. Do not combine it. Just combine these three. So this is how you get the Control D, Shift D, and go further. Right, and then here also you can use, you can do the change the shape as well
Yes.
here and further. And for the shape, like this thing looks little you know, like this, something like this, or to give it a manly look, right? Right, just adjust these things accordingly,
Okay.
so it not look like it is off, right? So you have to work on that as well. So yeah, let me just save it. Which was it?
Regional training.
Right. So yes. You can add as much as like the shapes here
Okay.
as per your requirement, so that it looks filled up. The whole thing is look filled up. If I just remove this is how it will look. Right.
Okay.
You can even make further, like right.
Okay.
So this is how you can get the right. And for this thing, like you can also just extrude it if you want. Otherwise, it is fine. This is edge. This is good. This is good. Yeah, of course. You need to just okay for timing. Just go with this thing. Start designing in this software.
Okay.
Shriram, you will do right. So I just come right. Start doing creating
That's
this.
the top photo.
Yeah. Hello.
என் பேக் தெரிஞ்சது இவ்வளோ மட்டும் கொடுத்து போயிட்டாயா
ஃபண்டே இருக்கு. இப்போ இங்கே வந்து எதுவுமே ஆகலை. சென்னைக்கு போனால் சொல்லி பிடிச்சிடும். ஃபீவர் வந்து எங்கே இருக்கு?
அதுதான்
இதுவே சின்ன இருக்கலாம்.
இங்கே பாருங்க வச்சு பாருங்க.
அது சூடாதுன்னு பிரச்சனை இல்லை. எனக்கு பாட்டில் சூடாக இருக்கும். எதமாக இருக்கும். நான் வாஷ் பண்ணிட்டு சில பண்ணுறாரு.
என்ன போல
அவனுக்கு
என்ன அஸ்டர்
இல்லை இது
பேக்கில்
இப்போ லேப்டாப்பில் சிந்திட்டேன். வாடா எப்படி ஆரம்பிக்கலாம்?
ஆனால் ஈஸியாகவே பண்ணிடலாம். இவ்வளோ காம்ப்ளிகேட்டடாக ஒர்க் பண்ணணும்
அவ்வளோ காம்ப்ளிகேட்டடாக இல்லையே இது.
வேணுட்டு ஒரு காம்ப்ளிகேட் இருக்காது. அழகான ஒரு கியூபை வச்சு அதை பிளேன் மாதிரி ஆக்கிட்டு அழகழகாக மடக்கி மடித்து முடிச்சு வச்சுருவாங்க.
இவ்வளோ நல்லா வரணும்ல. இது தலைமுறை மாறாது.
வரி வரி வரி
உட்காருங்க.
சவுண்டு
எங்கே உட்காந்து இப்படி உட்காந்து கொச்சு 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 கொச்சு.
இது இருக்குல்ல அந்த க்ளவுஸ் மட்டும் கொடுக்கும். ப்ரோ தாங்க முடியுது. இன்னொன்று இருக்கு,
இது எனக்கு போட
அதை வச்சுட்டு நீ கண்டிப்பாக பண்ண முடியாது. கொஞ்ச நேரத்தை கட்டி போட்டுருப்பாரு.
பார்ப்போமா சேலஞ்சை.
Just stop the recordings.
ஓகே சார்.